Hey everybody, it's Dina Rico with the Creativity Cave, and I'm so excited to welcome you to a fabulous new series that I have starting this week, which is Friday Fun with the Creativity Cave. We are going to make a simple card each week and showcase just some fun, easy techniques to help get you going to do a little stamping on the weekend. Maybe it's a happy hour for you and you would like to sip your favorite beverage. Maybe it's time to just relax after a long week. Maybe it is time for you to get some inspiration on. I am here for you. We're going to make it quick and easy and fun. And of course, always lots of great ideas will be shared. So let's get started. This week, we are going to use a set I've been itching to work with, which is called Hello Kiwi. I love this set because it's just fun and bold and cool, I guess. It's just a little bit different style. It's something kind of different from Stampin' Up, and I really like the look of it. So let's make this card. We're going to do two different versions of it, and you can let me know in the comments which ones you like best. Now, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There's a little link here in the corner. You can just click on that, and you will catch me live every Monday afternoon, and then Fridays I will typically record. So I might do lives, but this will usually be a pre-recorded video. But when you subscribe, you will get all of the awesome videos that I share each week. So please do that. And if you love the stamping I'm doing, please give me the thumbs up too. That really helps. All right, friends, our first project is going to be with the kiwi because I love it. I cannot lie. I love the kiwi. We're going to take one of my favorite new tools, and that is the 2 3/8 inch circle punch. This is an awesome punch. I really like it. It's a great size, especially if you have any of our older punches that we've carried in years past. It will go nicely with the 2-inch circle that we've got right now in our online exclusives, and it's just all kinds of fun. Now you can purchase all the supplies that I'm using today in my online store, and your business means the absolute world to me. I would love to be a great customer service representative for you with Stampin' Up! And our fabulous products. I do a lot to make sure you're happy with your products, and of course, I'm always here to help you use everything that you have. All right, so I'm going to start with my circles, and I'm going to do one to start with, and then we'll make another version of this card. So, of course, kiwi is going to be with some Granny Apple Green. I think we can all agree that's a good color for kiwi. And I'm just going to stamp this little half slice on here like so. And then I'm also going to take a panel that's 4 by 5 1/4, and we'll put this on the inside of our card. So I will once again stamp our kiwi on here like this. We'll do the full slice this time. And then I'm going to take a little black. Now I will tell you there's two types of black ink. There's StazOn black and Memento black. You can use either one on this particular project, but let me quickly explain the difference. StazOn is a solvent-based ink, which means it's waterproof. Memento is a water-based ink, which means it will bleed if you use alcohol markers on it. So this is for watercoloring, this is for Stampin' Blends. Now, of these two, this is a more opaque, solid black ink, whereas this is a little bit more, I don't want to say transparent because that's not really the right word, but it is maybe not as opaque as the StazOn is. This dries really, 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 really quick. This one a little bit less so. This will stain, this will not. Both will work great for what we're doing today. The main difference is whether you use this one for watercoloring or you use this one for using your alcohol-based Stampin' Blend markers. All right, so I'm going to use StazOn because I want a really nice opaque black ink. So I'm going to ink this up nicely and stamp the detail right over the top. And what I love is it's not perfect. You can You can get away with some pretty not precise stamping, which is always kind of nice, especially on Friday. You never know. Okay, and then there is the slice over the top, and just, I love the look of those. It's just fantastic. Now in this set, there's some cute little sentiments, so I'm going to add my hello to this. Oops, again with the stays on. And then I'm going to add a cute little sentiment for the inside, which is, you hold the kiwi to my heart. So that's just kind of a fun little saying you can add to the inside of your card. So let's make this card really awesome. I've taken some designer series paper, and I don't know if you knew this, but we have a designer series paper sale on through today, where if you spend, or any, well, I should say select designer series papers are 15% off. So it's a great time to stock up. This is the Zoo Crew designer series paper, and I love it because it's black and white on one side, and then it's got cute little critters on the other side, and it's just super, super versatile. So I'm going to take this piece, it's 1 by 4 inches, and I'm going to take and adhere it to my card base like that. And then I've also got this is actually a little leftover piece of Granny Apple Green. And I'm going to put that on. I also notice this is just a little bit crooked, so let's fix that. It's really hard to put stuff on straight when you're working with the camera. I don't know. All right, so I'm just going to tack this down. So this is a 1/2 inch wide by 5 1/4. So a 1/2 inch by 5 1/4. And that is literally all we're adding to our card. So easy. It's such a great layout. Now I'm going to pop this up right over the top. And honestly, you could stop right here and this card would be just fantastic. But one of my favorite things to say, but wait, there's more. So we can embellish this with just a simple little bow. This is our metallic weave ribbon. It's actually, the color here is Parakeet Party, but what's nice about this is it will coordinate with several different shades of green, including Granny Apple, which is just a little darker shade. And I'm just going to give this a quick trim. And then I'm going to glue dot it to my card, and that's it. That's an easy card, you guys. It's so simple. So let's make this card once again, one more time, and then this time we're going to change it up just a little bit. Okay, so easy. Oh, I guess we should probably put this on the inside. Now, in this same exact stamp set, we can use some of the other imagery and create another card altogether. So I'm going to do the same basic layout, same everything. I'm just going to switch up what I'm using. So I'm going to pull out a Berry Burst stamp pad. And instead of stamping my kiwi, I'm going to stamp a couple of these kind of little blotches. And then I'm going to use my black stays. Well, actually, let's do all the stamping all at once. We'll stamp a couple of these on here like so. And then we'll do our black over the top. So I've just got these little raspberries, not razzleberries. I suppose they could be if that's what you want them to be. But it is just about raspberry season, and I love a good raspberry. Okay, so these look awesome, but I want to maybe jazz them up ever so slightly. So I'm going to bring a little scrap paper in here so I don't damage my work surface. And there's a nice little speckle stamp, and I'm going to pull that raspberry out, or Berry Burst out once again. I'm just going to put a few speckles on here like so, and over here like that. And then I can change my sentiment because, like I said, we've got all kinds of different things. Happy birthday, thanks, and hello. So I think I'm going to, oh, actually, I already pulled out my thanks. I'm going to add thanks to this. And then I will leave it blank on the inside. You could, you could add more if you would like, but we'll just put this in like so. So I'll use my Stampin' Seal to adhere this on the inside. And we'll make the card up just like we did the last time. Oops, I got an extra sheet here, just in case I needed it. Okay, so it's that amazing DSP once again. And then, well, I cut myself a strip of my Razzleberry. What did I do with it? Here we go. We'll just add this once again, just like we did on our last card, like so. Oops, this one's a little too long. We're gonna snip that off because we don't want it to go quite all the way out. There we go. I'll pop this baby up on top. And then we have such a simple card designed, just like this. Okay, now we can do the same thing here. I'm going to use some sweet sorbet, but this will also look really nice with our berry burst. So we'll add a nice little bow, and you can even kind of fray those ends a little bit. Just sort of pull on them slightly. And then add them to your card once again with a glue dot. Now I can take my glue dot because it's a little bigger than my bow because this ribbon is nice and thin, which is great for mailing. I'll just kind of fold it over so it's kind of like a log instead of a dot and add that to my card, and there you go. 2 adorable cards, so quick and easy to create, and have just a fun little touch of DSP and a happy little inside for each. I hope you loved these cards and you're excited about this new series that I have. It is perfect for anybody, whether you're a brand new stamper or you've been doing this for years. It is a great way to just spark a little creativity at the end of your week. Don't forget to join me on Mondays for my live sessions, as well as every Friday now for the Friday fun with the Creativity Cave. I can't wait to continue to inspire you. And of course, if you would like to purchase any of the supplies that I used today, they will be listed in the description of this video, as well as on my blog post, and you can check them out. I would be so grateful for your business. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel right here. We will see you again soon, friends. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.